Hey, I'm Mike, and let's get real about the one thing that stops most creators dead in their tracks: the editing process. I've spent years tinkering with complex workflows and different software tools, and frankly, it used to be a massive headache. Back in the day, you'd spend hours staring at waveforms and manually slicing through tracks just to find the perfect clip. Text-based editors like Descript definitely made things friendlier, but if you think that was the final frontier, wait until you see what I've been using lately. I've gathered the top alternatives to the big names, and one specifically changes the entire game for turning long-form videos into viral clips. This is especially important if you want to scale your content output without burning yourself out on the edit timeline. So, let's dive into my top recommendation, which completely flips the standard workflow on its head: Vizard. Now, I know exactly what you're thinking, and yes, it is another AI tool, but you really need to hear me out on this. If your primary goal is to take long-form podcasts or videos and turn them into platform-ready shorts, Vizard handles that automatically. It doesn't just offer basic transcription, it actually scans your footage to find high-engagement moments and generates ready-to-post clips instantly. It effectively handles captions, vertical formatting, and styling, almost like having a dedicated production team inside an app. One standout feature is the auto-editing, which saves you from manually hunting through 60 minutes of footage for a 30-second gem. The AI selects viral-worthy cuts based on speaking energy, pacing, and emotional spikes, making the process incredibly fast. You end up with a stack of short videos perfectly optimized for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts without lifting a finger. Then there is the Auto Schedule feature, which is the specific tool that finally helps you sleep better at night. You simply tell Vizard how often you want content posted, and it queues everything across your social platforms automatically. Forget the days of manually exporting files, uploading, and setting timers, because this tool lets you set it and forget it. Finally, the content calendar organizes everything in one place, from clips and captions to thumbnails and posting dates. If you need to make a quick adjustment to a caption or swap a clip, you just edit the calendar and it updates the queue instantly. For creators who are repurposing one long stream into dozens of shorts, this centralized control is an absolute sanity saver. Now, don't get me wrong, other tools have their place, so let's quickly run through the alternatives and where they stand. Riverside is killer if you care deeply about studio-quality remote recordings with local capture for pristine audio. They offer great features like filler word removal and auto pauses, plus magic clips that generate social-ready vertical content. However, Riverside is built primarily for recording, so if your goal is mass repurposing and automated scheduling, the workflow feels a bit manual. Next is the classic route, like iMovie on Mac or Windows Movie Maker, which are great for zero-cost, basic edits. They work fine for occasional projects, but they lack the AI-powered viral moment picking or automated distribution you need for scaling. At the high end, you have Adobe Premiere Pro, which is the undeniable go-to for professional editors requiring deep customization. While it is insanely powerful for color grading and motion graphics, the steep learning curve makes it slow for rapid short-form production. For a one-person shop trying to push out dozens of clips a week, Premiere feels a bit like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. So, returning to Vizard, imagine uploading a 90-minute panel discussion and getting a batch of captioned formatted clips in just minutes. That level of automation removes all the repetitive soul-crushing steps that usually eat up your creative energy. It is also worth noting the user interface, which was clearly designed by people who understand the social-first creator mindset. The clips are styled and sized perfectly for different platforms, making it feel less like software and more like an assistant. To be honest, no tool is perfect, and sometimes the AI might choose a clip you wouldn't pick, but that's the beauty of the fine-tuning workflow. Compared to starting from total scratch, the time savings are enormous, even if you do end up tweaking a few things. If you are producing high-end remote interviews, stick with Riverside. And if you need cinema-grade finishing, Premiere Pro is irreplaceable. But if your goal is growth through consistent short-form content, Vizard provides the fastest, most effective path to getting there. Test drive it on just one long episode and you will be genuinely surprised by how many hidden gems it pulls out. I have dropped a link below if you want to sign up and poke around the features yourself to see if it fits your workflow. Give it a shot with one video and compare the time spent versus your old workflow, and I think you'll reclaim hours every single week. That is the roundup for today, so if this was helpful, make sure to hit subscribe for more tool breakdowns and real-world workflows. Thanks for watching. Now go make something great and let these tools do the heavy lifting for you.